Good morning. This is Mike Houston with your Sunday morning weather briefing for southeast Idaho. Looking at satellite imagery this morning, we have a fairly flat high-pressure ridge across the northwest coast with a dry northwest flow across southeast Idaho. Looking at the regional radar loop, there are some showers up into the Idaho Panhandle and northwest Montana, but it's fairly clear and dry here across southeast Idaho. Minimum temperatures this morning are expected to range in the 30s here in the Snake River Plain and 20s in the Central Mountains and Southeast Highlands, so fairly cool start this morning with freeze warning ongoing here throughout the Snake River Plain for overnight lows generally ranging from 28 to 32 degrees. In addition to the freeze warning, we have an ongoing flood warning here for the Big Wood at Haley. And we added the Henry's Fork near Rexburg to that mix as well yesterday evening as the levels ran up into minor flood stage there. Jumping ahead to our forecast charts, that flat ridge holds firm across the region today. There are some clouds embedded in that, but for the most part, it'll be relatively sunny day today. Looking at high temperatures this afternoon, generally in the 60s here in the Snake River Plain and mid-50s to lower 60s in the Central Mountains and Southeast Highlands. As we skip ahead now to Monday, that relatively dry northwest flow continues to hold across the region. We are seeing the ridge beginning to expand across the northwest or off the northwest coast here. And as we jump ahead to Tuesday, we see that ridge now folding over into the northwest states. So fairly warm temperatures as we work our way into midweek. By Wednesday, however, that ridge breaks down and it allows some precipitation to begin to develop here in the Central Mountains and along the Wyoming border, and to a much larger extent as we work into Thursday and Friday of this week. Temperature should peak on Wednesday. Here we are looking at afternoon highs running in the 80s within the Snake River Plain and lower 70s to lower 80s in the Central Mountains and Southeast Highlands. That's all I had here for you this morning. If you had any comments or questions, you can give us a call here at the number on the screen. Thank you.